Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make PDF of photo in iPhone. So at first open your photo apps and select photo. Like I'm select this photo to make PDF. Press on select. Okay. Click on to share option. Scroll down. Save to file. At first need to image. Move photo apps to file apps. Select location and select download folder. Press on right mark. Now it's move. Open file apps. Go to download folder. So look here, now successfully move here. 3 dot to select and select image. Press on 3 dot. Showing here to quick action. As you can see, showing here to create PDF. Just press on and now it's make it PDF.